And that's Bijan. Hey, Bijan.
Hey.
We're recording. I think you have to hit the button.
I did.
Otherwise, we're going to be here with a very long video. So, we're in the Huntley. And we're saying goodbye to the Huntley.
It's not a Hunt Lane. It's Huntley Hotel.
Huntley. Okay. And now we're going down.
Oh.
And here's the view.
That's the view.
This is the sound.
It's a very quiet kind of elevator if you listen carefully. Kind of sounds like choking a hyena. Jules, look at the view.
I know.
It's beautiful.
How can you leave all of this for the few?
And this guy's leaving for Colorado. You believe that?
Denver, baby.
Denver.
For a few extra zeros.
Denver, here he comes.
You want to pay those extra zeros for me?
Look at this. This is beautiful.
Wow.
And that's it. Back in the dungeon. Hey, dungeon master. Yeah. So what's happening?
What's happening?